So if you're trying to create VFX textures, you'll most likely end up using Substance Designer. It's best for you to start right now, stop postponing it, okay? Just go on YouTube, search for tutorials, start digging a bit into the depths of Substance Designer. And if you find yourself really liking the program, just remind you that I've got a course on Substance Designer using all my knowledge, which is quite a bit because I've been using Designer more than Photoshop or even Blender, especially in the last few years. That program really let me be creative with my effects, and that's pretty neat. In the course, it's like 13 hours of pure video. I'm also teaching you core principles and the building blocks for you to be able to understand the program from the ground up. So this is the course page. There's already 30 students and the course price is now discounted, but will go up to the normal price in just 2 weeks. So don't wait, get it now because the course is gonna be done by then. And as you can see, there's 55 lectures, 20 hours of duration because there's also assignments, you need to do homework, and you also have quizzes. So you will need to do the final test for you to be able to get the certificate of completion. So that means that you'll know your way around Designer. So you'll see some screenshots around here. These are essentially the building blocks, and this is the project that you'll be using both for Unreal and for Unity. So both users should be fine. And yeah, it's just already prepared for you to jump into the engine and then into Designer. So you can create the textures and import them and test them pretty straightforward, really. Like all the students that have enrolled in the course already, they're pretty happy with their results. They've been sharing the results in the Discord channel. And some of those lessons are just a bit more fun than the others. And some lessons are more short or long than the others, but that's completely normal. Most lessons are like 10 to 15 minutes, but there are some lessons that are like 1 hour long. These are a bit more tedious. I suggest that you just, break it down into steps. So 10 minutes, maybe if you get tired, just stop, pause there. You can come back. The website remembers where you stopped and it will resume at that point. But you can see there's a huge amount of content. I'm really happy. Like seeing this makes me really happy. This turned out to be super great. And also you'll see specific techniques that can be used in real-time VFX assets, such as, lookup tables, chromatic aberration, and everything. All of that is prepared for you in the shaders in the Clevender project for Unreal and Unity. So you don't need to know how to program those in the shaders, right? And as you can see, there's the practical examples right here. So we'll be doing those, right? I'm just going to be re-editing and recording because I already recorded them, but I feel like it's gotta be a better way to do that, a bit more fun, right? So with the practical examples, you'll do, for example, the stylized stunt jumps that you'll see in Mario Kart World, for example, when you jump and then you do the stunt, you can see like some rainbow effects. So we'll learn how to do all of these things. And that's super nice because that involves you and a real project, which makes it so you can learn everything better, right? In that context. So yeah, that's mostly just a quick reminder that the course exists because I haven't been talking about it that much, really. I've been focusing in creating some other stuff, mainly the VFX packs, because I have some great ideas for them and I've got like 13 new packs on queue. So that's gonna take a bit of work. But in the meantime, yeah, just go ahead and check if you really like Designer, check out the course, right? The link should be in the comments, all right?